Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you Atome Credit Card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you've been seeing the Atome card all over your feed and are wondering if it's actually worth it, well, think of it as a super powered buy now pay later tool packed into a regular card. Now it's specifically built for young professionals or anyone who wants a flexible line of credit without dealing with the mountain of paperwork and strict income checks that traditional banks love to throw at you. Now, the absolute best part here or about it is how incredibly low maintenance it actually is. Now, you can apply on the app under just 2 minutes with just a valid ID, get instant digital approval, and pay zero annual fees forever. For your everyday spending, you get a solid 40-day interest-free uh, grace period here as long as you clear your balance within that window. Now, using the card costs you absolutely nothing. Plus, it runs on major global networks like MasterCard or Visa, so you can use it literally anywhere. So, online or in store, and easily split larger bills into flexible monthly installments right inside the app, which is honestly kind of cool. Now, just to give you a quick heads up though, there's a bit of a catch here. Now, this card requires a lot of payment discipline. So if you choose to split your payments past the 40-day window, you'll face an installment processing fee of up to like 2.44%. Missing a due date also triggers a painful 5% late fee. So you can't use it to withdraw cash at an ATM, and it carries high foreign transaction fees. Now, ultimately here, if you are disciplined or a disciplined spender who wants a free, seamless tool to help balance your monthly budget, the Atome card is a fantastic option. Just treat it right, pay it off at full each month, and it is pure win for your wallet. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.